Now, another good way to texturize hair if someone's got really thick hair is basically by removing the hair from the root. And the way you want to do this is, and obviously remember guys, this is the same if the hair's going forward or if it's going back. I'm doing it from the back because the hair's flowing back on this haircut. But how you want to do this is basically slide your scissors through the hair here, wherever you want to remove the thickness, pull it up, and then when you can see the root, you want to slide your comb in at the root and pull that right forward. So now we've got all the hair exposed here. Now we've got the hair exposed, what you want to do, same thing again, you don't want to be opening your scissors too wide because you're going to take two big sections. Now, depending how, doing it this way, you can actually choose how much bulk you want to remove per section. So I can go in and I can take loads of bulk out, I can go in and I can just take a little bit. Now, obviously, because you're taking it right from the root of the head, you don't want to be taking loads of bulk out because it's going to leave the hair feeling really thin, really wispy, and there's not going to be much that's going to be allowed to do with the hair. So obviously now I've got a section like this, and as root move forward, we just want to be going through the hair like this and taking hair out from the root, like so. And then when we've done that, that'll remove all the bulk nicely. And obviously remember guys, when you are texturizing hair, try to do the same amount of hair throughout the whole haircut so it leaves a similar sort of finish.